What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Happy Thanksgiving. I hope all of you have a great day today, hanging out with family and just enjoying the day. Really quickly, guys, I wanted to tell you about a really cool giveaway. If you saw my last video, we did that curated collection kit from Maxshine. It's basically 45% off, fantastic deal for Black Friday. I talked to them, they are actually running it through till Cyber Monday. So from all the way through, make sure you go get that thing. I'll link the video down in the description. I'll also put a little tag of it at the end of this video so you can go check that out and see what's in it. But guys, let's get to the giveaway. So Maxshine is doing a giveaway on their site. For anybody that buys stuff, you're entered into a drawing to get a Black Friday mystery box. Now, I don't know what's in it. You can actually go buy this mystery box for 50 bucks. It's whatever's in there is worth more than 50 bucks. However, again, it's a mystery box. I don't know what's in there. But we're also doing a special giveaway just for the people that use my code, the I'm Josh V15 coupon code on the site. That will be a separate giveaway for another one of those Black Friday mystery boxes. So I'm assuming there's probably going to be a lesser pool of people using my code, so you're going to have a better chance of winning. Now, if you use it for that curated box, guys, I launched that video on Tuesday, I believe. Sunday. I launched it on Sunday. If you bought that kit and you used the code, do not worry. They're backdating it to that date to make sure that everyone's entered, because they don't want to just start it from now till then. Anybody that bought it back then on Sunday will be entered into the giveaway. But additionally, guys, whether you buy the curated kit or if you buy the MAS bundle, which is a phenomenal value, use my code, you get it down even cheaper. It's like 76 bucks. You get a polisher, pads, all that good stuff, or anything else on the site. A graphene, the graphene that they sell that I absolutely love. I don't think that's discounted other than my discount code, but use the discount code, boom, good to go. Anything you buy, regardless of what it is, with my coupon code, the I'm Josh V15, you're gonna get an entry into that free giveaway. So make sure you use my code. Guys, it can even be like, even if you buy just like a super simple, like little air fresheners or something like that for 2 bucks or 5 bucks, whatever, you're gonna get an entry. So really cool, make sure you go do that. One thing to consider, guys, we're getting into winter here. I personally am washing in my shop. And I don't just want water everywhere, so I actually use the Shine Reclamation Mat. It's fantastic, it's inflatable, and the sides of it inflate up to like 6 inches or something like that, big. All the water collects in there, you just grab a vacuum, suck it out, and dump it. Fantastic choice for that. It's on sale right now on the website, and if you use my code, it takes it down even more. So really cool. Now, we're gonna be announcing the winner of this giveaway sometime after, sometimes like Tuesday on. I'm not exactly sure which day they're gonna get me the information. So the way that we're gonna be doing the giveaway, guys, is we're gonna be using your order numbers. When you place your order, you get an email and there's an order number on there. So basically, they're gonna send me all the information from all the people that used the I'm Josh V15 code, and give me an Excel sheet. I'll plug it into one of those little random selectors. We'll spin it and see who the order confirmation number winner is. That way we're not giving out anybody's names or anything like that. You'll just get the order number and you'll be good to go. One more thing, one more little bonus hint to this thing, guys, is if you bought something yesterday and used my code, you got an entry, right? You got that confirmation number. If you buy something an hour later, you're gonna get on a separate order, you're gonna get a separate confirmation order number, right? So with that said, you're gonna get an entry in each one of those orders because you're gonna have a different order number. So that's it, guys. I hope that, I think it's really cool that they're doing that. They reached out to me and said, hey, we wanna offer this on top of, off of that curated box. So, and actually anything with my code, like I said. So go check it out, guys. Go visit Maxshine's site. I'll have all those little kits and deals linked down in the description below. So make sure you go check those out. But that's it, guys. Again, have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Tell all your families I said hello, and we'll see you on the next one, guys.